Hello and welcome to another support video of Nexus Themes. In this video I will show you how you can solve issues that could occur if you click on a specific individual blog post on your WordPress website that the 404 page not found is being produced as an error. For this demonstration I'll be using the Performer WordPress theme, but please note that it works the same for all the themes that we provide. On this specific page, if I go to the news section, so that's the overview of all the blog posts in the system, you can see that there's a couple of them here listed. If you click on a specific one, for example here the one at the top, let me turn off the editor just for the time being. If you click on any of these posts, they will produce a 404 error, as you can see right here. So this 404 error indicates that the page that is being requested here is not found. Whereas actually the page is there, because if you would, let me go back to the previous page. So that's this one here, the news section with the overview of the articles. You can see that it shows articles. So how is it possible that it lists those posts here in the first place, but if you click on them, it produces a 404 error? Actually, what happened here on this client's website is that something was misconfigured in the WordPress backend. And it's a configuration which was entered wrongly in the permalinks settings. So let's go here to the WordPress backend. And let's go to settings and go to permalinks. The permalinks can be used to make the URL, the address of each specific page, more pretty. By default it uses a format like the one here at the top that says the name of your domain followed by a question mark and then the P for post equals and then some kind of internal identification number of this specific post. But what you can see here is what the user or the owner of this specific website did is that they changed the structure, the permalink, to /postname/, which means that this is not a placeholder which was being used. This is a hard-coded constant value. So each URL for each post will have this specific URL, which is not a valid option because this page doesn't exist. It should not use this hard-coded structure. You should use this one here that says post name. If you click on this one, you will see the value over here will be updated. Let me click on this one. So here you can see the difference. Now there is percentage signs in between the post name and the /, and this one causes the URLs to be correct. If I save these changes here and go back to the home page and go back to the news overview, so that's this one here, you will see that the URL now has changed. In this specific case, for the first article here, this URL no longer points to the hard-coded constant value of post name, but it points to /test, because that's the slug of this specific post. And this one here points to, well, that's a very big name here. So this one no longer produces a 404, but actually produces the post that it should render. So by using this technique, by changing the permalink to what it should be, you will no longer receive 404s, but you will get actual content of your WordPress post. So to show you one more time, go to the WordPress backend by clicking on the icon here. And in the WordPress backend, go to settings and go to permalinks and ensure that you have a valid value, so no constant value, but to use a placeholder with the percentage signs here, or use the default value, that's an option too, which is less good for search engine optimization, but to ensure that you have solved the problem, this could be one step for you to try, and afterwards using this one here that says post name and ensure that the percentage sign is in here. I hope this has helped you with solving the 404 issues for your blog posts in your WordPress website. If you have any more questions on the problem that you're experiencing for your WordPress website, if you're using one of our themes, please do let us know, because we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.